Story, Bills player DeMar Hamlin is back home tonight after being discharged from a Buffalo hospital today.
Yeah, he was revived by CPR after suffering cardiac arrest on the field. And this week's Legal Lens, Fox News' Jeff Bernthal talks with Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy about some legal questions around performing CPR.
Andrea, CPR certainly getting a lot of attention. Let's just start with the basics of what it is.
CPR is an emergency life-saving procedure performed when somebody stops breathing or the heart stops. It can double or even triple chances of survival, especially when CPR is given so quickly as we just saw in the Hamlin situation. Immediately after he went down, they used an automated external defibrillator device. They started chest compressions, and they even backed an ambulance up onto the field. So those critical seconds after somebody needs help really do make the biggest difference to whether somebody can survive.
And it's important to learn to do these the right way, correct?
Correct. So, CPR is a good thing to know, period, but doing it incorrectly can decrease the chances of survival in certain cases. And also, it can actually cause injuries.
So what does the law say about if I'm trained and someone is in need of help?
So most states, including Missouri, has what is called a Good Samaritan law, and it's really there to encourage people to help people that are in need. So if a bystander helps, in Missouri at least, it's limited to emergency personnel, hospital providers, or people that are certified in CPR, or people that have attended a recognized national training program on CPR. So it varies from state to state, but the basic application of these Good Samaritan laws is that you're doing it for free, you're not compensated, that permission has been granted, and by permission, they mean if it is able to be given, if it is not, it is implied, and that somebody is acting within the scope of their training to assist somebody.
As you say, it was great to see Hamlin walk out of the hospital and on his way thanks to that emergency help he received.
Absolutely, a testament to a quick response and a good result.
Andrea McNairy from Brown and Crouppen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens every Wednesday evening right here on Fox 2 News at 6.